Hey guys, we're here at 12. Engine 12 just got an ALS phone call and they're responding right now. So I'm gonna try to catch them. Medic just literally went like 5 minutes ago. And now engine's going, so I'm gonna catch them. Like I'm supposed to be leaving right now, so I'm lucky I caught. Oh my god. Now why are they gonna go as soon as I have to go? Alright. Now I can go. Now I can go. Alright, engine is leaving, y'all. Oh, I have a hard time with this traffic. I don't like the way it looks. But that's just job time day. Engine just gave me a clip.